the spirit that quickeneth, but the flesh profited nothing. Therefore, the words that I speak to you, they are spirit. And you say you will do. That is what you will do. That is why you are called. All on the ground is seeking sound. 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 All on the name is seeking sound. All on the name is seeking sound. All of the name is seeking sound. All of the name is seeking sound. All of the ground is seeking sound. Yes, 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 yes. Sianto brina fala kamia. Arada kubre na stile sose. Paria dominatanias, Seneferis, Seneferis, Seneferiatones, Anclabenia Farani, Yecleveria Tanas, Shagabria Fete, Aikabanalis, Yerebina Talianana, I Comeleveri, Sabena Brentes. Ancabriam Feninis, Acleveria Tome, Samina Belias. We give you praise. We give you praise. Saberuna Taline, Wacleveria Tanianas, Ecleventani, Semen, oh my God, Sabreteniana. Aragabana Tominas, Senefrede Gabinato, Eleferiata Baba. Sagabrante Viande, Elefriana Gadiatole, Abedine de Doce, Acabariana Daliante. Shagatagabina Kalai, Ekelede Brente Basilia, Ambra Babobo. Siantele Boteya, Shagabrante Beberua, Shakataya, Erebene Gabenatuana. Eya domina nateli, akabiandele bebo. Heya ya, eleverianta la la lua. Antekebra obo bo 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 bo. Obo bo 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 yata. Satakaga yatalande, antayatwande, shanatalai. Mananele tele ulana menina efretene nuse kele felana sielu mebeliele semele kwene netwe kai ekwenteni nei Spirit lead me where my trust is is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you will call me. Take me deeper than my feet can ever carry me. And my faith will be made stronger in the presence. Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the Ayano, 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 Ayano. Can somebody step into deep waters? Can you step into deep waters? On the gleboriale, Sile, 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 Umbala Kurila, Saiga Bomene. Melita, Aklederi, Spirit in me, Spirit in me, oh, hey, Spirit in me, Spirit in me. Finiti, Siana Bittenega, Sialete, woo, Jesus, no more veil, no more limitation. I can now see Jesus face to face. No more veil, no more limitation. I can now see Jesus face to face. No more veil, no more limitation. I can now see Jesus face to face. No more veil, no more limitation. I can now touch Jesus. I can now hear Jesus. I can now know Jesus. I can now embrace Jesus. I can now see Jesus. I can now hug Jesus. I can now touch him. I can now hear him. I can now know Jesus. Can somebody interface with him? Ubebele metomina kabila ranakuria tamanda abame nanuna nenuna na yina menetene etene meketumi labine genetumi yaburene selia dalas. No more there. I can now see Jesus. No more there. I can now hear Jesus. My daddy, singing and loving you, I'm loving you. Till we meet, it's only you. Till we see, it's only you. Only you. Hey, just you and me. Till we meet, it's only you. Till we see, it's only you. Only you. Just you and me. Hey, till we see, it's only you. Till we meet, it's all. Oh my God, oh my God. Only you. Only you. I love only you. Only you. Just me and you. Can somebody get more intimate with him tonight? Get more intimate with him tonight. Get more intimate with him tonight. Get intimate with him tonight. I came by prayer. I will stay in prayer. When I leave this world, I will go in prayer. I came by prayer. I will stay in prayer. When I leave this world, I will go in prayer. Are you alive? I came by prayer. Oh my God. I will stay in prayer. When I leave this world, I will go in prayer. I came by prayer. Yata, 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 yata. And the mundo no bakai. Melete benukapi. Rasobaga. Antananonia. Yata. Yellow Beru Kamala Akakale 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 Yakamanda Ako Benefi Yano Mendeli Bakuya Ante Bekerula Yabaratas Ambrete Benete Jesus. Siele menele, efreniele lele, eule menele, siele domegeye, siele moneye, wemo lebi nati. Can you travel in the Holy Ghost? Can you travel in the Holy Ghost? There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. I must fulfill His. There is prophecy. There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. I must, no matter what, there is prophecy. There is prophecy over. I must not fail. I must not fail. I must not fail my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is prophecy. There is prophecy over me. Oh, I must not fail this one. Oh, I must not fail my Lord. Aviane. There is prophecy, there is prophecy, there is prophecy over me. I must not. You came from a womb, and it's not the womb of your parents. You came from a womb, and that womb has an expectation. That womb has an expectation over your life. That womb has an expectation. That womb hope for. They hope for profit. They hope for profit. Kai fefeletimi abarude kabekwada gabi siko branta kabalatwa mina sebre bakwada bi ebida biodobogo bina paina bore adi Antonia Madis abenafia tabanaka yelove sebene pretelie monde. Listen to me. What is upon your life is stronger than anything you are going through. What is upon you? What is upon you? What is upon you? What is upon you? If only you can yield to the economy of that which was spoken concerning you. It wasn't spoken in time. Oh, Belefekala. Bulufika buna palapuli abraka momenta bikosala peredo bekuli ambatwa pento gobe. Oh, I come in the volume, in the volume, in the volume, in the volume. There is a volume that carried me. There is a volume that carried me. I didn't come by myself. There is a volume that carried me. There is a volume that carried me. I didn't come by myself. I didn't come because I want to come. There is a volume. I believe in la biratuane. I am capable. Sanelu verete. I am monomentele yenes. Andele kuria na banata. Andele bore de lokoya. In the name of Jesus. I may not come alive. Listen to me. You don't have the power to bring yourself. You don't have the power. I came in the volume. There is a volume that brought me. There is a volume, a volume. I am words formed into a human being. I came in the volume. I came in the volume. I can only fall to the ground if the words of God can fall to the ground. I came in the volume, not of human words, not of human words. I came. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Tell him no company boboa. And the baruka baboa. And the breko badabune. And the begaburate. Sabona Fracabia. And the brento bagale. Severatuale. And the benuabebe. Listen to me. There is prophecy over me. I must not fear. I must not fear, my Lord. I must fulfill this cause. There is prophecy over me. Theo cannot fail this one. I must not fear, my Lord. I must fulfill this cause. There is prophecy over me. You see, in the book of Jeremiah, he said, before I formed in your mother's womb, what did I do? I knew thee. He said, before you were brought forth, I ordained thee a prophet. And he began to list the volumes in which Jeremiah, he began to, he listed out the operations of Jeremiah. Jeremiah came in a volume. You are the only one that is not aware. You are oblivious. You are oblivious of your handle. In other words, if it comes for Jeremiah to destroy it, it won't be hard for him. He knows his handle. He knows his handle. You are oblivious. You are totally oblivious. Jesus said, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me. And he began to list out all that the Spirit of the Lord will have him do. He knew his handle. He knew his handle. For Jesus, if he saw any man in captivity, it was an opportunity for him to express his handle. You are the only one not aware. The person that sent you and the one that is opposing you, they are aware. You are the only one that is totally oblivious. I don't know if you're oblivious or you've chosen to be careless, but today I came to remind you by the Spirit of God that there was something about you. Heaven, you came in a volume. You came in a volume, and the last time I checked, the words of God are perpetually mysteries to the enemy, and light shines in darkness, and darkness comprehend. Pokulu, Peita Kamala. In a moment of time, peradventure, Satan is gradually succeeding to turn your oil down. Peradventure, Satan is gradually succeeding to contaminate that which the Lord has. I don't know by whatever means, maybe by worries. I don't know by whatever means, maybe by sin or iniquity, secret sin. You want to maneuver. You may want to contend for the oil, the prophecy. There is prophecy over me. It wasn't a prophet that spoke it, neither was it an apostle, it wasn't a teacher, it wasn't an evangelist. It was spoken from eternity by the eternal one. His words never fail, Victor. Never. That is why you will see that if you don't fulfill it, another person will pick it. His words doesn't fail. His words doesn't fail. That which was spoken concerning you have power to preserve you. Oh my God. Lakwa binofile. Adene to me. Adwete kebanapa. Aparakapa. Antobeleve. Obelefele. Efele temi. Atamiade. Elemenwe nebi. Aiberwe. Contend for it. 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 Angababuriane, Eperuda Babu, Awele Mote, Oyele, Contend for it. Contend for it, Victor. Contend for it, Femi. Contend for it, Jerry. Contend for it. Contend for it, Paul. Contend for it. There is prophecy. Over one spirit, we are not oblivious, we contend. Cause there is a throne seated over me. I cannot fail, my Lord. I must not fail, my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is power over me. I cannot fail. I cannot fail. He will do war with us and He will win. There is power over me. Rule down in the mist. Rule down in the mist. There is prophecy over me. I cannot fail this one. I must not fail, my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is prophecy over me. I must not fail this one. I cannot fail, my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is power inside me. I cannot fail this one. I cannot fail, my Lord. I must fulfill His cause. There is power inside me. The Spirit that raised Jesus from the dead. I cannot fail this one. I must fulfill this cause there is prophecy over me.